we are explaining Boot RX 8 series station, which is very well accepted by industry, across India. Okay, let us first discuss about what was the first conventional technology used actually in the soldering. Many companies, including Boot, was making some stations where heater is separate, bit is separate, and then you heat the soldering iron and you do the soldering. So this is a conventional, traditional way of making the soldering irons. Then the technology changed. Lead-free also came into the picture, and requirement for the soldering goes strange. Some people still use the old technology. They increase the temperature to 400 degree to compensate that 27 degree melting point up in case of lead-free. So then the Boot came up with a new technology where the tip is tip sensor and heater is integrated. Now what is the difference between the two? How would achieve a better out of these two? Like in this case, sensor is somewhere here, but here in this case they built a special technology where they brought the sensor somewhere here, very close to the point of tip, so that the moment heat loss start, immediately feedback goes and quickly it should come up to the temperature. Since these tips are integrated tips, so they made some special treatment so that the life should be much better as compared to the conventional tips. These irons are basically, it is called Boot RX 8 series. There are different type of application, different stations available for application wise. This series actually, if you see, the iron is very lightweight for the operator to work. The wire itself is very lightweight. The temperature on the grip is less when you are working continuously, and it's slim to hold, and the bits can be easily replaced. There is a push. You take out the bit. You don't need any additional tool. Even in hot condition, we will show you in the later video. And then there is a flat surface, so make it foolproof to insert the bit, and easily you can insert the bit and use it. Stand is provided with a sponge as well as wool, so that hard to remove oxides on this can be removed from here. Stand is also provided with the extra bit stand, so that your operator can easily have some extra bits. Now this technology station is very special technology station, developed with very fast heat generation and very fast heat recovery. So for example, RX 802 achieve the temperature in just 6 seconds. 6 seconds means it generates heat very fast, and that means it will recover heat also very fast. So which will give you advantage, like your operator can run fast on the production line. So this station also has a programmable features, like you can have a upper limit temperature, lower limit temperature. You can set so that you are working in particular window. You can program, you can lock with a password so that online operator cannot change the temperature. In this also you can define time to solder, because sometime in the electronics such requirement come, for example, one particular component 1.2 seconds it should be heated. If more than 1.2 seconds heated, component get damaged. So this station has a programming feature, that you can program for 1.2 seconds. After 1.2 seconds it will give the beep, so operator knows that okay, it is crossing the time, so he can lift the iron. Apart from this, there are functions like programmable temperature versus time for sleep mode function. So many people, they offer sleep mode function, but they are not offering programmable temperature versus time. So you can define according to your requirement. For example, in your production line, maybe you require sleep function to be activated after 5 minutes, or maybe 10 minutes, or maybe 2 minutes. So you can define according to your requirement. You can program the temperature and time limits. So it will go on sleep mode. Sleep mode will help you that your tip will go on a lower temperature for ideal condition. so the bit life also improves because of that. Then there is another additional function over in this station, that is, if for example somebody forget to switch off in the evening, so you can program for 10 minutes no soldering, it will switch off the power itself totally. So in this there is a lot of possibility. For example, this iron is like 80 watt iron, and this will do some job. Then you have a micro pencil. Same controller, you can add the micro pencil for very fine jobs. Same station you can add even tweezer, thermal tweezer for chip components to remove the chip components. And in the same station you have a variety of tips. Now one more important point is, this station is so efficient that we have seen in some of our competitors where they are try to use 100-120 watt. We are able to do the same with the 80 watt sorting station. So that means the consumption of power is less, but performance is much higher. So further actually about hot tweezer, we would like to explain about the hot tweezer. The hot tweezer actually is like this. So you can press the button, take out the tip. So there are different type of cartridges available. So you can just insert those cartridges inside, and you can do the. Now if for example, one additional feature is that if for example this is very wide, but you don't want that wide, you want it to be little less. So you can just press like this. It is less area, so that it is faster operation. The same RX8 technology is converted into different power. For example, RX852 for 150 watt soldering, that means heavy point soldering can be done. Then there is a model RX822AS which can take care of for example 150 watt and 170 watt. It can take 270 watt or 150 watt and 170 watt, but cannot take two 150 watt. So it is capable of delivering 150 plus 70. Now coming to the point, this technology, how it is generating ROI, we generally call least cost of ownership by the buyers, for which many industries they like the station. Now ROI is one of the most important subject across industry. So RX802AS justifies the ROI in 2-3 terms. One term actually to look is that the operator efficiency goes at least 40% higher. That means a operator, if you pay 100, you can take 140 rupees worth of work from them. The second ROI comes actually with the ultra long life tip. Well, most of the good brands settled with 18,000 to 35,000 joints. Practically, we have a lot of feedback. 1,80,000 plus joints are coming at 370 degree around when you are working, because joints also depend on the temperature you are working. So this station is capable of generating a heavy heat. So you can work a very heavy point where you are doing like 400, you can do like 360, 370 also. So the third point actually is, many stations in the conventional technologies like this or some recent technologies even, the temperature on the tip changes with the time. In some cases, within week time, in some cases 15 days, in some cases, maybe after maybe 20 days, the temperature change. And then the customer used to calibrate the process, the equipment. Now in this good RX802, one of the most beautiful thing is, the goods give in letter that you don't need to calibrate, because tip temperature remains same. You set 350, you see today, you see after 1 week, after 1 month, after 2 months, after one year, you will find always temperature remains same. You don't need to calibrate. But in case you want to check calibration as a process, the facility is available, so you can always check the calibration process. Now, how to compensate the mass of the tip? There is a tip number always. So if in this program, the moment you change, for example, you are using this tip, then you change over to this tip. you need to put this tip number inside. So already, station will automatically understand that now this tip is put, so it will compensate, so the same heat will come as set on the display. So this is also an additional new feature by Boot. Now if you are calibrating again and again, there is a lot of time consumption in verifying the process. So your person time, your sensors you waste on the production line, and you stop your production line to calibrate the equipments. So all those time also can be saved, and save of money on the calibration sensors. This is also add-on ROI. So this station is giving very fast ROI because of these three factors. No need to validate again and again. Operator efficiency increase. The bit life itself is very high. So ultimately it is a less costly station for any customers.